Hi, my name is Ajit, and I'm very excited to share one of the components of my ongoing research with South Asian community in British Columbia. I have a short PowerPoint presentation to share with you. So in the previous two videos, I actually introduced this overall research design. In the first video, we actually saw the epidemiological study that showed us something about the incidence and survival rates of the South Asians at the highest risk and have the poorest survival. In the second video, we actually saw the availability of brittle quid and smokeless tobacco in British Columbia and what are the perceptions of people who actually chew these products. We also learned about the implications for policy, but we also wanted to design some educational resource with which we can actually go to people, who have these habits, so that we can encourage them to keep their habit. One of the challenges we had was what type of images we should use, and we held a lot of focus group discussions. And we were told by people that when they're thinking, they're actually looking towards the sky, and they stop if they have to stop chewing their habit. They think that there's a wall that actually stops them from doing what they want to do. And we wanted to put a face, and on South Asian is a heterogeneous group. There are like Sikhs, Muslims, Christians, all. So we did not know what face to put, so to appeal that this is for South Asian, and we were suggested that we should actually use a shadow. So you can see in this image that we use the perceptions and the ideas of the people. And I personally worked with the visual art expert to actually design this cover. We learned through our research that South Asians were deeply connected with their family. And one of the chewers actually suggested us that it was his love for his family that encouraged him to give up his habit. So we used these approaches in this educational resource to encourage people to give up their habit. Another idea which we used was using masculine and strength-based approaches for health promotion messages. So men believe that they are strong, and if they start something, they can do it. So we use this image in which you can actually see that men actually have started taking steps, and they have started their journey towards this cessation. So all these ideas actually emerged from our focus group discussions, and this is how we used our research findings to design and develop this educational resource. This is being actually disseminated to people through websites. We also go to health diversity fairs. We educate people about the ill effects of chewing bitter good and smokeless tobacco. And what we have learned from people like them, we transfer that, to the people who actually are trying to give up their habit. Thank you very much. And this work has been supported by Canadian Institute of Health Research. In the next video, you will be actually seeing some of our efforts to bring the latest technology for early detection of oral cancer among South Asians. Thank you.